they leave. With robots and weirdos and freaks, they're a most disturbing crew. So beware if they enter your town, 'cause they're coming after you. The Steam Engine Viewfinder's coming your way, so lock up your riches and hide them away. You won't be ready when they come to town, spreading terror all around. The Tin Man is leading the way, and he's rotten to the core. And Loyce watches out for the train, though she longs for something more. And Ratchet, the strong engineer, keeps them going straight and true. As the Windego's hot on their trail, but you know they'll make it through. The Steam Engine Viewfinder's coming your way, so lock up your riches and hide them away. You won't be ready when they come to town, spreading terror all around. They hail from the far land of Oz. It's a dark and fearsome place, with Lion and Scarecrow on board, moving at a breakneck pace. Now Dorothy opens the way with a portal from her brain, and Scarlet commands all the clowns as they ride this crazy train. The Steam Engine Viewfinder's coming your way, so lock up your riches and hide them away. You won't be ready when they come to town, spreading terror